Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you 5 English words for the day which you can use in your everyday English. I hope you will find them useful. So, here we go. First word in our list is live for something. It means to really enjoy something. Here are some examples. Ankit loves doing sports. He lives for badminton. To be a great musician, you have to live for the music. A lot of people also use it to say how excited they are for a specific event. For example, you might say, I'm living for the weekend, or I'm living for a party. Second word in our list is cabin fever. Cabin fever is the reaction to feeling trapped or isolated in a building for too long. It can be really stressful. Here is an example. Many people have started to suffer from cabin fever after they have stuck at home for more than 2 months due to the lockdown in this coronavirus outbreak. Third word in our list is bang on about something, which is used to say that someone is talking about something so much that it is annoying or irritating. Here are a few examples. My friend kept banging on about his trip to Italy. It was really frustrating. Will you please stop banging on about your new boyfriend's niceties? Fourth word in our list is fire. We use fire to describe something that is really good. We sometimes put the word straight in front of fire. Straight here means very. Here are a few examples. Your t-shirt is straight fire. Have you checked out my new phone? It's fire. It can do so many cool things. That new series, Money Heist, everyone is talking about is fire. I love it. Fifth and the last word in this video is running on fumes, an expression to describe when someone is very tired and has used all their energy but keeps going. Here are a few examples. He's been working so hard at work recently, he's running on fumes. I'm worried about him. I was up all night yesterday because of work, and as a result, today in the office, I was running on fumes. Well, my phone was running out of battery. It was running on fumes. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time with 5 other English words for the day. Until then, take care. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Like, share and press the bell icon to get the regular updates.